It is time for traffic and weather together with Storm Tracker 4 meteorologist Stephanie Waldriff on a Storm Tracker 4 alert day. Stephanie.
Yeah, another alert day as we're going to be seeing more storms on top of the rain that we saw yesterday. Top rain totals for your Wednesday. Saguaro National Park got to 1.25 inches, so a lot of rain fell. Hannigan Meadow up in the Catalinas, 0.8. River and Oracle, 0.68. Tucson International Airport, almost 0.4 inches, and Oro Valley, 1/4 inch. So really depends on where you were at. But it was a pretty good day as far as rain totals go, especially in Santa Cruz County, 1.41 inches. Now, this is a lot of rain in a single day in general, but then you add that it fell in just 30 minutes. The flash flood potential here is crazy. That is why we are always warning you to remember, turn around, don't drown, because these types of storms can be very dangerous in a very short amount of time. Along with the rain, they also saw an 83-mile-per-hour wind gust in Santa Cruz County. Your Doppler radar right now is quiet. We're just seeing some clouds out there, no rain in sight, but our monsoon prediction index is showing a 4 to 6 depending on where you're at. Sells, Tucson, and Safford all at a 4. Douglas, Sierra Vista, Nogales at a 6. So higher chances south of Tucson here today. As we take a look at our high resolution rain tracker at lunchtime, we start to see those storms pop up over the higher terrain. They'll be coming off the mountains through the afternoon hours. Now they're pretty spotty to scattered in nature, seeing a lot of activity, but I also want you to note there are a lot of areas on here that aren't seeing rain. This is how monsoon works, folks. Some people get a lot, while others get absolutely nothing. This is at 3 p.m. From 3 to 6 p.m. we are still seeing a lot of activity here, and then 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. a lot of that activity subsides. Any of these storms that develop could be dropping heavy rainfall and bringing strong winds. Our blowing dust potential not as high because we actually saw some rain and the ground is a little bit wet, but definitely could be seeing some flash flooding here as we head into the afternoon hours. Rain totals today also not looking as impressive, probably about 1/10 to 1/4 inch across the area, but we could be seeing some locally higher amounts, which is exactly what this model is picking up at down in Nogales. Our highs today are going to be ranging mainly in the 80s and 90s. 87 there in Tombstone, 97 in Safford, 88 in Douglas, Tucson 97, Sierra Vista 86. Right now, things are quiet, fairly humid out there though. Dew points are in the 60s and temperatures are in the 60s and 70s. 75 degrees at the Tucson International Airport, Oro Valley 74, Sierra Vista 67. Now, after today's storm chances, our storm chances are going to be dwindling and our temperatures going up, all because of our next big weather maker. High pressure is going to be building in and really just encompassing the southwest. This is going to be raising those temperatures and kind of suppressing those storm chances as we head into next week. So here's a look at your 10-day tracker, 40% chance for storms here on Thursday, 97 for the high. It's going to be humid. Hopefully you get some rain, because after today, storm chances drop to about a 10 to 20% chance. We still hold on to the 90s for your 4th, so it should be a little bit cooler, still fairly humid though. But after that, the triple digits return and they stick with us through the rest of this 10-day forecast. Now let's take a look here at your traffic. Things are quiet